What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Live 5. I know I'm glad you guys with another video. We're about to be linking up with Boosted Lexi. She has the craziest lady-driven Evo in all of LA, but she's only used to JDM, so we're about to take her in an American muscle car for the one time. As you guys already know, she's an insane driver. So if you guys run this video up, I promise I'll let her drive it next. But anyways, I'll get back with y'all when we get there. Oh yeah, she's back. We didn't even do an intro. Oh, all right.
Hi.
She's only used to like mostly JDM cars, you would say?
I mean, yeah, 99%.
Okay, 99%. So we're actually gonna have her come to the dark side. She's gonna be going. So this is the lavish thing right here. So, I mean, mine's a pretty simple setup. It's a D1X Pro charger. We got a triple pump fuel system. You see the regulator right here. Some pretty meaty fuel lines right there. Ported intake manny. I have a built block from RPG. Yeah, I mean, it's a stock trans though, so that's the only thing.
Ask about. You upgrade your clutch at least?
Yeah.
Right?
So it's a twin disc. It's a Vengeance clutch, so the stage 3. That thing is beautiful.
You have an engine connected to your car.
Oh yeah.
Big engine.
Oh yeah.
Compared to what we're used to, 3 bangers and 4 bangers.
Oh yeah, I forgot. When I was looking at those motors, it was just like what?
Super tiny, like this big. Like you can probably like pick them up.
Yeah, you could probably pick this one up too. It's light.
Yeah. I'm very new to the muscle cars, so.
Okay, cool. Then you want to go for a little ride?
Let's do it.
We just came up with a new contraption right here. We got the light and a glove, and her hands are small, so it works.
Guys, I hijacked his camera. I'm a little scared.
I can't see shit. Should I do it right here? Comparison.
Dude, it's very different. It feels a lot more stable, if that makes sense.
Honestly, it was. Like, the thing is, it's pretty dialed in for like rolls. So that one, I eased into it because I knew we were going to spin. I might have to air down a little bit. But the first time when we hit first, second, we spun all the way through first and second.
I totally felt that.
But even when it's spinning, it doesn't feel like out of control, you know?
No.
You can stay in it. Like, people be thinking Mustangs are always everywhere. But I have a lockout kit on it, so that kind of helps a little bit. Like, it stiffened up the rear end a lot, because that's what happens. The rear ends are literally like this usually. So tighten up the rear end and then.
But it seems like you really know the car too.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That's the other thing. Like, I feel like if someone doesn't know their car, they can panic. But it's so crazy, I can't see anything. I think it makes it less crazy because I can't see anything.
Right now, we're gonna try another second gear. I've been easing into it because it's been spinning a little bit, but it's warming up. So I feel like now that the tires are a little warmer, we might hook
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Super torquey.
Yeah, you can feel when it hooks up in third. It's because it's doing that, and then I just feel it.
Yeah, it's still spinning.
Yeah. It feels a lot better when I ease into it and you can feel the power all the way through, kind of, you know? Because you're not feeling it until we're like at fucking 70, really.
But it sounds like freaking sick.
Another downshift.
That's nice.
Not a lot of people hear like a blow up valve like mine. Like, and it's also, I didn't even show you, we cut a hole inside of that bumper just to have the blow up valve fit. Yeah, it didn't fit, like dead ass.
That's crazy.
I was going to slap forward, I'm like, fuck, we don't have enough. But so how do you feel about like the way it gets in the boost? Damn.
It's different.
Yeah.
It's very different.
That's what I was saying. Cool. Like when I was in yours, it was like very different.
It was all at once.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's very different.
Spicier.
A little bit. Dang, now you make me feel like my shit feels slow. She's like, oh, those other ones were ass. That one was just okay.
No, it just feels so much more planted than the Evo. You know, like. Yeah. I mean, it's like a lot heavier, but.
Yeah. No, I'm telling you, like, it's pretty dialed in. Like, so before I threw these tires on, so I have a 315/50 17. Before I had that, I had 305 45s. This shit was scary as shit. Like, I'm talking third gear, easing into it. I said, slap north, and we go like half a lane. I was like, nah, I gotta get a bigger tire on this, John. Afterwards, I let off, and my jaw was like, I was like, what the? Want a Mustang yet? No, I'm joking. No.
Different.
She said my shit's slow.
At first I thought I would be scared to drive it. Did you think it was going to react differently?
Nah, that's just about how I expected. I thought you were going to be a little more giggly though. Because like in her car she was hella giggly, mine she was just kind of quiet. Is that just because like your passenger just like, oh, I don't know what this going to do when he's driving?
Well dude, I can't see over his giant hood that he has over here, so I can't see how fast things are coming at me.
I know, next time I'm going to have to install a pillow right there.
A few moments later.
I'm going to sit on it.
No, wait, why?
She couldn't see the road at all. I ain't gonna lie, watch you pick that shit up and you just... I definitely think we're good to go.
He said I'm big dog now.
I'm already, damn. Like 6'4".
I grew a foot.
I guess you could say this is your first time being in the Mustang with a booster seat. I haven't aired down in a long time too, so let's see. What's that light up there though? Oh, that's somebody just got pulled over.
I wonder if we summoned them.
Probably. Yeah, good thing I didn't do it. Yeah, I'll try it third gear first.
that was a good one.
Oh shit.
Hey, this thing's probably making like 1,000 foot-pounds of torque.
You think so?
Maybe like 900, but yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's pretty hard.
Yeah.
I've never been in the passenger seat of my car going fast, actually.
You haven't?
No, I've taught somebody how to drive stick, and I let some people just drive it normal, but nobody's ever hit the gas on this shit. So you'd actually be the first person to actually like hit it, like other than me.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, I told you the blow up I literally had to come. You thought I was joking?
I thought you were exaggerating.
No, like, literally, like, yeah, we just. Oh yeah, that's a new hairstyle. For the next video, if you guys run this one up, she told me to drive it.
We're gonna swap keys.
I'm scared, guys, but we're gonna do it. So make sure you guys run this video.